Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 super cute and easy hairstyles for school that are quick, simple, and perfect for every day. Let's get started. 1. Take a small top section of hair and secure it with an elastic, then flip the tail through the gap to create a twisted base. Grab a side section, braid it loosely, and gently pull the strands apart for a fuller, pancaked effect. Pin the braid back and let it blend into the rest of the waves for an effortless, chic look. 2. Start by sectioning off 2 front strands, then gather the top half of your hair into a high, sleek ponytail. Use a brush and hairspray to smooth down any flyaways for a polished, snatched finish. Finally, fluff the ponytail for extra volume to create a chic, effortless look perfect for any occasion. This video features a quick and stylish hair tutorial demonstrating a sleek, half-up hairstyle. Through smooth transitions, the creator showcases how to achieve a polished look with a focus on volume and clean parting, perfect for a modern, everyday aesthetic. 4. Instead of a messy ponytail, part a small front section of your hair and secure it with an elastic. Create a gap above the tie, flip the hair through to twist it, and gently pull for volume. Repeat this down the section for a secure, stylish half-up look that stays polished all day. 5. Skip the finger-tangling Dutch braid and fake it with this chain link hack. Simply start a small 3-strand braid at your hairline, merge it into a new section of hair behind it, and repeat the process moving down. This stacking technique creates that iconic 3D raised effect with half the effort. Finish by pancaking the edges for instant volume and a seamless, professional look. 6. Create a sleek half-up look by sectioning 2 small pieces at your front hairline. Secure them at the crown with an elastic, then loop the hair through to form a mini top knot. This simple technique adds instant volume and keeps your hair polished and out of your face. 7. For a sleek front-facing look, secure 2 small front sections at the crown and loop the hair through to form a mini top knot. If you prefer a detailed back profile, create a layered ponytail by gathering sections sequentially and tucking them under each other for a faux braid effect. Finish with a scrunchie to add volume and a polished touch to these effortless half-up styles. 8. Create a sleek half-up style by securing 2 small front sections at the crown and looping them into a mini top knot. For a more intricate look, fake a Dutch braid by layering small 3-strand braids into new sections or create a rope braid headband by twisting 2 hair sections with hairspray and pinning them across the top. Alternatively, achieve a polished back profile with a layered ponytail tucked sequentially to mimic a braid and finished with a voluminous scrunchie. 9. To achieve this magical look, start by brushing out loose waves for a soft, voluminous base. Next, section off the top half of your hair and create layered twists, pinning each one securely to form a textured crown. Finish it off by tucking in a long floral gajra for that ultimate regal, fairy tale vibe. 10. No braiding required. This tutorial shows you how to achieve an elegant, intricate-looking hairstyle using a series of clever hair flipping twists. It's the perfect way to get a professional braid effect in minutes by simply securing small sections with elastics and looping the hair through itself. That's it, besties. Subscribe for more.